Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Passport EXL. This vehicle does come equipped with fog lights as well as LED daytime running lights. It will come standard with 20-inch wheels. You'll have remote start as well as keyless entry. You'll have the memory settings for the power seats, which are 10-way and include lumbar support. There's a unique diamond perforation pattern for the Passport, introduced just this year. You'll have an Econ mode for fuel efficient driving. You'll have road departure mitigation and forward collision braking system, which are part of the Honda Sensing suite, which also includes the adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist system. You'll have the paddle shifters on your steering wheel. You'll also have controls to be able to answer your phone calls as well as cycle through your audio sources and control the volume. You'll have a nice media display which allows Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music into the car from your phone. You'll have dual climate control, heated front seats, USB and power port. You'll have additional power and USB port as well as an aux port in the center console. This vehicle does come with a sunroof. You'll also have a place to store your sunglasses with a built-in mirror. The rear view mirror also includes the home link buttons to be able to open up your garage door. The all-weather floor mats here in the second row. You'll have USB ports. Capless fuel filler. You'll also have a power tailgate, a backup camera with 3 different views. You'll also have the buttons that you can press to drop the seats down. Spare tire. And a push button close. This is the 2019 Honda Passport EXL here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.